Good morning, and welcome to my live stream. My live stream, okay? Doing my gameplay right here, Okay. It's Halloween, everybody, okay? All right. So, Halloween today. Happy Halloween to y'all. I'm gonna go on Instagram live in a few when I finish this. Uh huh. It's Halloween day. Okay, today my cousin's birthday, Solomon and, and Terry. Okay, happy birthday to y'all and happy Halloween to y'all. They was born on the scary day. They was born on a scary day. That's all to it. Okay, so what they gonna do for their birthday? Scream like kids. I wonder what they gonna do for their birthday today. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. I kind of wonder what what Ayana, what Ayana, Kyron, Cedric, and KJ gonna do today. Is they gonna go trick or treating? I want to let y'all know. Be careful out there in the streets, y'all. All right. Uh, all right. So let's go step outside. All right. Let's go step outside. Okay. All right. It's cold out here today. Okay. So make sure y'all have y'all coats out here. And for Halloween, if y'all going trick or treating, make sure y'all be careful out there. Okay. So so that's all to it, y'all. So make sure y'all. Good morning. All right. So as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, make sure y'all be careful out there. All right. So tonight, you know, Halloween and trick or treating ain't what it used to be. You know, that's all to it. Okay. Y'all can see downtown and stuff like that. Downtown New Orleans with the Sheraton and the Marriott. The Sheraton Hotel wasn't even built before I was born. The Marriott was. If y'all watched the movie, Let's Do It Again. Okay. All right. I don't know when the Superdome was built. You know. Mhm. All right. Do y'all see the Superdome from here? The lights right there. Uh huh. Yep. Okay. So anyway, happy birthday Solomon. Happy birthday Terry. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry about that, y'all. I got disconnected. Okay. So so anyways, I was saying happy birthday to Solomon and Terry. Okay. Born on the same day, born different year. Okay. So they're Halloween babies. Here we go. All right. Almost made that 3-pointer. Okay. Yep. All right. Thank y'all for watching. I see y'all later.